In today's world, wireless earbuds have become as essential as smartphones. But with so many options on the market, one gadget has managed to break the internet and redefine what we expect from audio devices: the Nothing Ear 2. These sleek earbuds have been making waves in the tech community for their unique design, cutting-edge technology, and surprisingly affordable price point. But what is it about the Nothing Ear 2 that has everyone talking? Let's dive deep into the hype and uncover why this gadget is such a game changer. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also, let us know in the comments what you think about the Nothing Ear 2. Nothing, a company founded by Carl Pei, has made a name for itself in a very short time. Known for its philosophy of removing barriers between people and technology, Nothing has focused on creating products that are as visually stunning as they are functional. Their first product, the Nothing Ear 1, set the stage for the company's bold approach to design. But with the release of the Nothing Ear 2, they've raised the bar to an entirely new level. When Carl Pei launched the Nothing brand, the mission was clear: to bring a sense of wonder and innovation back to the tech industry, which many argue had become stale and predictable. The Ear 2 embodies this vision, combining a futuristic aesthetic with practical features that cater to the modern user. One of the most talked about features of the Nothing Ear 2 is its transparent design. Unlike the cookie-cutter look of most earbuds, the Nothing Ear 2 boasts a see-through casing that exposes the inner components. This minimalist, futuristic design isn't just eye-catching, it's a statement. It challenges the norm and makes the Ear 2 instantly recognizable. The earbuds are lightweight, ergonomic, and designed to fit comfortably in your ears for extended periods. But it's not just about looks. The Ear 2 is built with functionality in mind, ensuring that the design doesn't compromise on comfort or usability. And let's not forget the charging case. With its compact size and transparent shell, the case is as much a conversation starter as the earbuds themselves. It's the kind of gadget you want to show off, and in the social media age, that matters. Audio quality that competes with the best design is just one part of the story. What really sets the Nothing Ear 2 apart is its audio performance. These earbuds are equipped with high-definition audio codecs, providing a crisp and immersive listening experience. Whether you're streaming music, listening to podcasts, or taking calls, the Ear 2 delivers sound quality that rivals premium brands like Sony and Bose. The earbuds feature customizable equalizer settings, allowing users to fine-tune their audio experience. Want more bass for your workout playlist? Or clearer treble for an audiobook? The Ear 2 gives you the freedom to adjust the sound to your liking. Nothing has also incorporated active noise cancellation into the Ear 2. This isn't just any ANC, it's adaptive. The earbuds can automatically detect your environment and adjust the noise-canceling levels accordingly. Whether you're in a noisy cafe or a quiet library, the Ear 2 ensures that your listening experience is uninterrupted. Another area where the Nothing Ear 2 excels is connectivity. These earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring a seamless and stable connection with your devices. Pairing the earbuds is a breeze, and they support both iOS and Android platforms. One standout feature is the dual-device connectivity. This allows you to connect the earbuds to two devices simultaneously. Imagine listening to music on your laptop and then seamlessly switching to your phone for a call without having to disconnect and reconnect. It's a small detail, but one that makes a big difference in everyday use. The Ear 2 also features in-ear detection. This means the earbuds automatically pause your music or video when you take them out of your ears and resume playback when you put them back in. It's another example of how Nothing has focused on enhancing the user experience with thoughtful features. Battery life is often a deal breaker for wireless earbuds, but the Nothing Ear 2 delivers here as well. On a single charge, the earbuds provide up to 6 hours of playback time, with an additional 30 hours available through the charging case. Fast charging capabilities mean you can get 1.25 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge. And for those who prefer a more convenient option, the Ear 2 supports wireless charging. These features ensure that the earbuds can keep up with your lifestyle, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home. The Nothing Ear 2 isn't just a pretty face, it's built to last. The earbuds come with an IP54 rating for water and dust resistance, while the charging case has an IP55 rating. This makes them a reliable choice for workouts, outdoor activities, and even light rain. Durability is often overlooked in favor of features like audio quality and design, but Nothing has ensured that the Ear 2 is a well-rounded product. You won't have to worry about wear and tear even with regular use. One of the biggest surprises about the Nothing Ear 2 is its price. At around $149 US, These earbuds offer premium features at a mid-range price point. In a market where high-end earbuds can easily cost upwards of $300, the Ear 2 is a breath of fresh air. This pricing strategy aligns with Nothing's mission of making innovative technology accessible to a wider audience. It's clear that the company isn't just targeting tech enthusiasts. They're aiming to disrupt the market and appeal to everyday users as well. Why it's breaking the internet. So, what's driving the viral success of the Nothing Ear 2? It's a combination of factors: the striking design, the impressive features, the affordable price, and the company's ability to create buzz. From unboxing videos to detailed reviews, the Ear 2 has become a hot topic among tech influencers and everyday users alike. Social media has played a significant role in this. The transparent design is perfect for Instagram and TikTok, where aesthetics often take center stage. Combine that with the genuine enthusiasm of early adopters, and you've got a product that's breaking the internet. What the reviews are saying. Reviews for the Nothing Ear 2 have been overwhelmingly positive. Tech YouTubers and reviewers have praised the earbuds for their design, sound quality, and value for money. Many have noted that the Ear 2 offers features typically found in much more expensive earbuds, making it a standout choice in its category. Even users who were initially skeptical have been won over by the performance and attention to detail. The Nothing Ear 2 is a must-have for anyone looking for high-quality wireless earbuds without breaking the bank. The success of the Nothing Ear 2 is just the beginning. With products like the Nothing Phone 2 already generating buzz, it's clear that Carl Pei and his team have big plans for the future. If the Ear 2 is any indication, Nothing is on track to become a major player in the tech industry. For consumers, this is exciting news. It means more innovative products, more competition, and hopefully more affordable prices across the board. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your support helps us create more in-depth content like this, and we'd love to have you as part of our growing community. Also, let us know in the comments what you think about the Nothing Ear 2. Are they worth the hype? Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews and updates, and we'll catch you in the next video. The Nothing Ear 2 doesn't just stand out because of its looks. It's a testament to how technology can balance performance and style seamlessly. From its dynamic sound profile to its personalized active noise cancellation, the Ear 2 offers a user experience that's tailored to individual preferences. The addition of features like high-res audio support, dual connection capabilities, and improved battery life shows Nothing's commitment to innovation. It's not just about creating a unique design, but delivering an experience that rivals some of the biggest names in the industry. The Nothing Ear 2 isn't just another pair of wireless earbuds. It's a statement. It's proof that you don't have to compromise on design, functionality, or price. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who loves great sound, these earbuds are worth considering. So the question is, are you ready to try the earbuds that broke the internet?